Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Cox. This meeting is for those who want to become a better writer. And I'm going to show you a couple of easy steps that make your writing so much easier to understand. Because sometimes you get writer's block and you get stuck. Sometimes you have no idea what to write about. And you're like, what am I going to put down next? I'm going to show you in easy steps how you can become a better writer. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and present my screen. And you can easily follow along to what is going on. All right, here's my blank document. They said, oh, no, it's narrating time. And you're like, narrative writing? You could write about any story you want. Oh, I got this great idea about a dragon, or I had this great idea about a character I made up. Then you stop because you're like, man, what do I do next? There's just a couple of things you need to know. First of all, who is going to be in your story? This is the most important part. Who are you writing about? You need to have a main character. You gotta have a main character, the one that revolves around. Maybe it's the dragon, maybe it's the superhero, maybe it's a bunny. I don't know. Whatever your main character is, and then a few supporting characters. Look, the computer already knows what I'm going to say. You need a few supporting characters. We're in third grade, so you don't want to overcrowd. Make like 3-4 characters. When you start getting above like 5 characters, and then you have to write about each one, you have to tell us. Let's keep it simple. Just a couple of characters. Who are you going to write about? What happened to your characters? What are they feeling? Let's say they're lost in a safari like this. They're in the middle of the safari. The kids are lost, right? So the kids get lost. And now they feel, you might say, scared. Oh no. Now you got to put emotion in it. Oh my gosh, I'm lost. What am I going to do, Bob? Well, I don't know. I guess we could try to our cell phones. Oh no, Bob, my cell phone doesn't work. What do we do now? Emotions, characters, dialogue. Have the characters talking, because if not, you're just like, oh, they got lost in the safari. What happened? The kids, they wandered away from their parents. Keep the dialogue. What did they say? Because they just walk up and go, the kids were lost. It didn't happen like that. They said something to each other, right? So they're speaking. What happened? What did they say? Always important to know. When did it happen? Did it happen in the daytime, in the middle of the night? Did it happen during a rainstorm, a flood? When did this take place? Look at my computer, always knowing what I'm going to be doing. When is it going to take place? You need when this happened. And then when you have when it happened, you can also put down the where it happened. Where did the event occur? Obviously, if they lost in the safari, they're probably lost in some sort of jungle. You can't go, oh, they were lost in the safari and somehow they're at the beach. They don't go together. Keep it simple. Where did it happen? When did it happen? How did it happen? Did the kids wander away from their parents? Did the kids decide they were smart enough and they're like, oh, I can do this on my own. I don't need you, mom and dad. And now they're stuck in the woods. They're stuck in that safari. They're scared. They're woods. See, that would be the wrong place. They're stuck in the safari and they'd be scared because there's all these wild animals running around. Did they have to feed themselves? Did they pull some food that they found in the safari? Did they fight the elephants or the water at the watering hole? What happened? Make it interesting. So, how did this happen? And why? Who, what, when, where, why, how? Why did this happen? The how and the why they go together, because you're like, oh, how they got lost? Why? Because they thought they were too cool to be with mom and dad, and now they're lost in the safari. So why did this happen? And that's it. When you answer those questions about whatever topic you're writing about, boom, you've got a story. Who it happened to, what happened, what did they say? Because they got to be able to talk to us. When did it happen? Where? How did it happen? And why? And then you've got yourselves making of a story. Don't forget. Just an added bonus, don't forget dialogue. That's where people are talking to each other. If you have dialogue, you're gonna have quotation marks. What did I spell dialogue wrong? What did I miss? Oh, I don't know what I missed. Okay, yeah, I gotta have quotation marks, right? People talking. It separates who is the one who is speaking. Don't forget your punctuation. I wish my computer would stop listening to me. I'm going to throw it off here in a second. You got to have dialogue, quotation marks, punctuation, paragraphs. Right? It's just not just one big old thing. It's a section. And most importantly, have a BME. What's a BME, you ask? It means beginning, middle, and end. Have a beginning, middle and end to your story, just so it flows from there. And that is one way that you become a better writer. It does not matter. If you're writing about nonfiction, you could use this too. What celebrity or what history person or whatever are you writing about that's going to make your writing better? I hope this helps everybody, and everybody have a wonderful evening. This is Mr. Cox, and I am signing out.